Warga Patisi TV.
Ka Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad Meghalaya, Kalakam Bekladan Om Dunai ka ar hadu represent ki Kynthei Trai Shnong, Kiba Sya Penkala Syakanyam Islam, lima ka Syong Khai Syongman, bagi Minder Negeri Bangladesh, lima ka Law of Jihad. Ya kanila penpaudu State Secretary ka Seng Utengku Marak, hakijungnya keren bikilar patai kubor, hakanyo trik urusau aracara pusan, Hasilong Press Club. Umarak uloang, bawa la ka Seng kelapin sngau shkibo badai pen, Hindri hadut menta, kam shim nadan satya kanu ke jing shim kya. Nakaliang ka sorkar, kamtam haki bentari thor jong ka West Garo Hills. Kum ka Phulbari, Raja Bala, bat Mahendraganj, bat Halat Rambai.
Love Jihad, we can say, it's all about the merits. And when we talk about the Love Jihad, then Bangladeshi peoples first they will come to that area and they'll accuse with the local girls, and they will slowly, convert the local people to other religion.
So it is happening. It has been happening.
Yes.
On a percentage, how much it will be?
I don't know the exact percentage, but at least like now 2-3%.
3% is happening. So you have taken up this matter?
No, actually, we have already written a complaint to the authorities, but no action has been taken as of now.
So which are the areas affected, mostly affected?
Well, mostly like West Garo Hills, the Plant Belt area, Phulbari, Rajabala, and Mahendraganj. Even in West Sanjay Hills, East Sanjay Hills, like Rambai area. So in that area, those things are happening. When I talk about that land jihad, even they are trying to capture the even land also.
So that means hot state, more or less.
Yes.
So they are Bangladeshis. They are getting married to the locals.
Yes.
And then, is it only for the benefits or what is the purpose?
Yeah, just for the benefits that I can say. See, when they don't have any chance to enter into the state of Meghalaya, they'll come as like a labor or maybe something like that. And later on, they will make a relationship with the local peoples and their affairs with the local girls and then marry to the local girls, and they will try to get everything from the indigenous people.
And also another aspect.
Yes, we can see in the Garo Hills area that there are many rape cases and abduction, kidnappings are going on. Recently, some local organizations have rescued 2-3 girls. Means they have abducted and kidnapped and they have taken to the different place.
To Bangladesh?
Not to Bangladesh, to the Assam area or in Garo Hills itself.
These are done by the Bangladeshis.
Yes.
Bangladeshi criminals.
Yes.
They have done this kidnapping and.
No, exactly like illegal immigrants. Those
illegal immigrants.
Yes.
So you'll be taking up this issue and deliberating in your Abvp conference. Abvp conference.
Yes. We will be discussing about this, detailed discussing about this illegal immigration, and we'll be urging the state government to take a serious action in this matter. See, regarding the drugs issues in Meghalaya, as I've already spoken, that now the maximum youths are addicting, involving in this taking drugs and all. And this is a very serious issue, and that I can say that it's not only like addiction to the youth, but it is a threat to the state and the nation that we can say this is a conspiracy that we can say. It's coming from the neighboring countries.
So how are you going to inform the government?
See, as I have already mentioned that in this 9th state conference, we have already drafted a resolution and will be submitting to the state government and also to the governor regarding this issue.
So Abvp will be going. Are you satisfied with the government initiatives now going on?
Yeah, even government also taking some steps. And I would urge the state government to take more steps in this issue to give awareness programs for the youth in every schools and colleges.
Pin real spa, ya các tiên là dòng pin đâm cam, ya cả ba căn kiêu các tiên khasi, các tiên là dòng ai cần balai pi ong gate habangi don la ka jong ka kentien khasi kerdop lani phalor beli lani khang ya ka tu ka phalor ni ju ya ong saka weipan ka ktien khasi kam ju ong ban ya kiu yau up hindrangi kiu yau thep tu daya kan mau kendit ho lapan mi da ka pati CTV na ka benta ka jingmentoi upat ba